Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello, and I'm honestly really sick today, but in case you haven't noticed, I've been trying to put out a new video every single day, and my goal is to teach you how to start and grow your online bookkeeping business. So I'm really sick today. I apologize if my nose is a little runny, I sound a little congested, but I'm committed to putting out new videos every single day because my only goal here is to share what I've learned over the past 3 years to help you start and grow your online bookkeeping business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can start an online bookkeeping business for only $130. That's all you need, $130, and you could start an online bookkeeping business today. If you're interested in meeting with me in a one-on-one consultation, there's a link in the description below. I'd be happy to talk with you about your business, about starting a bookkeeping business, about your QuickBooks or taxes, whatever you have going on. I'd be happy to talk with you. Okay, so for me, I started my bookkeeping business 3 years ago, and I had no experience with accounting or taxes or bookkeeping or QuickBooks. I had never started a business before, and I was able to grow my business in less than 6 months to the point where I was quitting my full-time job and I was able to support my family. So if you're interested in quitting your full-time job, starting a bookkeeping business, or maybe you already have a bookkeeping business and you're looking for ways to grow your business, then keep watching my videos because I'm going to be putting out new content every single day trying to help you grow your business. Like I mentioned before, I started my bookkeeping business with no experience. I did not have a college degree. I knew nothing about bookkeeping or QuickBooks. I had never started a business before. All you need is $130, and I'm about to tell you right now how you can start a bookkeeping business. First of all, I always say you need 4 things to have a successful bookkeeping business. First of all, you need to have a basic understanding of QuickBooks and bookkeeping. If you don't already know, QuickBooks is the #1 accounting software for all small business owners. I have over 30 bookkeeping clients and they all use QuickBooks Online. So you need to have a basic understanding of bookkeeping and QuickBooks. You need to have the desire and confidence to be able to produce marketing content and try to get new customers. So you're going to need to do sales, you're going to need to put yourself out there on the internet, face to face, making phone calls, sending emails. You're going to need to put out some type of marketing content on social media, and you're going to need to sell to customers. So you're going to need to talk to people to get new clients because nobody knows who you are whenever you're first starting out your bookkeeping business. So you need to put yourself out there, you need to find clients. The third thing you need to start a bookkeeping business is you need to deliver A1 customer service. I just made a video last week. I just made a video yesterday talking all about delivering A+ customer service. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. The fourth thing you need is hard work. You're going to need to work really, really hard, especially in the first 6 months because like I said before, nobody knows who you are, nobody knows that you have a bookkeeping business, and you probably don't have very many clients. So you're going to need to put in a lot of hard work in the beginning. Don't ever let anybody tell you that starting a business is easy because I will tell you it is the hardest thing that I've ever done in my professional career, but it's also the most rewarding thing that I've ever done. I love it so much. I love being able to help small business owners. I love bookkeeping. I love everything about the business. So you're gonna need to put in hard work. Okay, now the title of this video, how you can start a bookkeeping business with only $130. That is true because I just looked up on Amazon and they're selling Chromebooks, which are just really basic laptops for $130. And all you need to start this bookkeeping business is a laptop. The reason you need a laptop is because you need to be able to log into QuickBooks.com and you might be able to use Google Sheets, but I recommend getting Microsoft Excel. You don't need to be a wizard with Microsoft Excel, but you need to be able to enter data into Microsoft Excel if you're going to have a bookkeeping business. So for only $130, you can get a basic laptop on Amazon's website. Now, me personally, I did not get a $130 laptop. I got a $500 laptop, but if your budget is tight, maybe you don't have a lot of money, or maybe you just don't want to spend a lot of money, it's possible for you to go right now and get a laptop for $130, and that is literally all you need. Everything else is free to start this bookkeeping business. You can get a Google My Business page for free. You can get a Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn profile for free. All of those social media platforms are free. You can produce marketing content on your own for free. Everything is free. The only other thing that you might need to buy, now for me, because I'm a veteran, this was free in the state of Pennsylvania, but I registered my business in the state of Pennsylvania, and I just looked it up. And if you're not a veteran in the state of Pennsylvania, to register as a sole proprietorship costs $70. That's just a one-time fee. $70 to register your business as a sole proprietorship. Or if you want to register your business as a limited liability company, LLC, that's going to cost $125. Once again, that's just a one-time fee. Every state is different. So I don't know, if you don't live in Pennsylvania, I don't know how much it might cost you, but you're definitely going to need a laptop, and you're more than likely going to need to register your business with your Department of State. Those are the only two things that you really 100% need to do. And if you already have a laptop, you don't need to go out and buy a brand new fancy laptop, because all you're going to need to do is log into QuickBooks.com, and all you're going to need to do is open up Microsoft Excel and enter in data. So you do not need to spend $2,000 on the latest and greatest, most fancy laptop. The one thing that might be optional, and I would recommend doing, however, it's not completely necessary, because I already mentioned you can get all of your social media pages for free. You can get a Google My Business page for free. If you go to Google right now and look up Harrisburg Bookkeeping, my Google My Business page is probably going to be the first thing that pops up. And then my Facebook page is probably going to be the second thing that pops up. And then my website might be the second or third thing that pops up. So if you really want, you can get a website. And I talk about this in most of my other videos, but you really don't need to spend a bunch of money on a website. There's a lot of templates out there. You can make your own website, and you can probably do it for less than $100. So a laptop, $130, sole proprietorship, $70, and optional, you can get a website for less than $100. So all in, less than $200, you can start a bookkeeping business, but really all you need is a laptop. Okay, I'm gonna talk about some things that you don't need. You don't need a college degree, because I had a college degree, but it's not in accounting or finance or even business. I have a college degree in psychology. Business owners don't care if you have a college degree. I don't think anybody has ever asked me, oh, do you have a degree in accounting? I have a bookkeeping business, and other business owners, they're business owners, and it's not like you're applying for a job. So trying to get business owners to be your clients is a whole different mindset, a whole different process. So don't even focus on the college degree. Don't worry about a college degree. If anybody asks you if you have a college degree and you don't, you can say no, but you can say, no, I don't have a college degree, but I am an expert in QuickBooks, and I already have a bunch of bookkeeping clients. I'm a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor, so I know how to do everything for your bookkeeping and your QuickBooks. So if you don't have a college degree in accounting, don't worry about it, because I still don't. I'm working on my master's degree right now in accounting, but that's irrelevant. Like, nobody cares about your college degree. You don't need an expensive laptop. I already mentioned that. You don't need to rent an office. You can work from home. You can work in your parents' basement if that's where you live right now. You can work in your college dorm. If you're a college student trying to start a bookkeeping business, you can work in your college dorm. You don't need to spend $1,000 a month on some fancy office just so you look professional, because more than likely you're only ever going to interact with your clients on the internet anyway. So you're probably not going to have clients coming into your office. And if they do want to come into your office, just say, hey, I'm fully remote. I work from home. I don't have an office right now. It's never been an issue for me. You don't need employees. So that's one of the hardest parts about starting the business right now, is hiring good, reliable employees. Down the road, that might be a goal for you in your bookkeeping business, to have employees, but for me right now, it's been 3 years. It's just been me. It's always been me. I am interested in hiring employees soon in the future, but to get started, you definitely don't need any employees. You can do it all yourself. You also don't need to pay for advertising. So I've never paid for advertising. I've had my bookkeeping business for 3 years. I've made really good money as a bookkeeper. I've gotten a lot of clients, and I have never paid for advertising. All of the social media content that I put out has all been done by me. I've never done SEO. I've never paid for clicks on Google or Facebook. You also don't need a bookkeeping course. You don't need to spend $1,000 on a bookkeeping course. I did back in 2020. I spent $800 on a bookkeeping course, and it taught me a little bit, but to be honest with you, it didn't really teach me a whole lot. It was kind of a waste of money. So if you're thinking about starting a bookkeeping business, you really don't need to invest in a bookkeeping course. And lastly, you don't need any certifications other than Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor. That is the one certification I would recommend that you get, because that can be the one selling point whenever you're talking to new clients. You might not have a college degree, you might not have any work experience as an accountant, but you can reassure all of your clients and you can say, I am a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor. If you want, you can look up my profile on QuickBooks.com and you can see right there, yes, I am a certified Pro Advisor directly on QuickBooks.com. That's the only certification I think you need. I know there are some like national bookkeeping organizations, but similar to a college degree, like business owners don't care. They don't care about your certifications. They don't care about your college degree. If they've already found you, if you're already talking to them, that 10-minute sales pitch is going to determine whether or not they hire you. It's not your credentials, it's not your resume, it's not your work history, it's that 10-minute sales pitch is more important than anything you've ever done in the past. So just focus on learning how to sell to customers and focus on learning how to create marketing content. Don't worry about your certifications or your college degrees. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video. There are a few things you do need. So you need a laptop, $130. You probably need to register your business. If you're a veteran, it's free. If you're in Pennsylvania, get a sole prop for $70. Maybe get a website, not necessary. Probably a good idea, but not necessary. Less than $100, don't pay anybody. Some other things you need, these are soft skills. These are not like supplies and materials. These are soft skills. So you need to have good organization skills. Running a business is hard. No one's telling you what to do, so you need to manage your own time. You gotta have time management and good organization skills. You need to have the ability to communicate effectively. Your whole job, your whole business is oriented around you providing A+ customer service to your clients, which means that you're going to need to communicate with busy, stressed out, overworked business owners, which are probably the hardest group of individuals to work with. They never have more than 5 minutes to do anything because they're so stressed out because they're trying to run a business. So you need to learn how to communicate effectively with your clients. And then you need to have a basic understanding of bookkeeping and QuickBooks. That kind of goes without saying. And then lastly, you need to have the desire and the motivation and the discipline to put out marketing content and to go out there and get clients.